All right, just hold on for a second. Stop scrolling and listen. What do you hear? Your phone buzzing? Traffic outside? True silence doesn't even exist anymore. But for 99% of history, our ancestors lived in the empire of silence. Think about it. 50,000 years ago, your hearing wasn't just good. It was a literal superpower. You had to track everything. A tiny rustle in the bushes? That's not wind. That is a predator waiting to jump. A slight shift in the air temperature, and you knew a massive storm was coming hours before it hit. Your brain was hardwired to read nature's frequencies, like a master musician conducting an orchestra. Back then, silence wasn't just empty space. Silence was your ultimate survival map. Then we built factories, cars, and sirens. We completely drowned out the natural world. And you think you've gotten used to the noise? Your brain hasn't. Science shows that even when you're dead asleep, background noise triggers your fight or flight response. It pumps cortisol straight into your system. You are literally living in a permanent state of survival panic without even knowing it. Your body is burning out from the inside. But here's the crazy part. In 2013, biologists found something wild. When the brain gets total silence, it actually grows brand new cells, directly in the memory center. Silence literally heals you. So do yourself a huge favor tonight. Turn it all off. No phone, no TV, no background noise. Just sit there in the dark for 10 minutes and just listen to the silence. Because sometimes the most important things are only heard when the world goes completely quiet.